Hey, what's up? Hey, what up? I just want to go through these profiles real quick. I don't want to make this video real long, so I'm gonna try to do this as quick as I can. I wanted to show y'all how we do these credit approves and what it takes to get approved for a credit card. Of course, you gotta have a trade line. You gotta have a good number. But outside of that, it's just the way that you set these numbers up. I mean, you gotta have them done right, or it's not gonna work. And that's just how that goes. There's nothing you can do about that. Um, Here go three profiles. One is mine, the same one I've been showing y'all. Then I got two others. These guys, I did the same thing I did on mine. They just haven't added any primaries on there. The difference is that I just added a authorized user on their account, the same one. So once I did that, I set the CPNs up the way they're supposed to. I did all the public records, etc. And then I went and completed it, by getting them pre-screened for credit offers and matching them up to the correct lenders. So once I did that, they started getting their mail offers, and then I actually got them in the mail. So I'm gonna show these to y'all real quick. So I'm gonna try to do this video as quick as I can. All right, so let's look at these three profiles. One is mine, the other are the clients. Okay, this is mine. I just did this the other day. It's not nothing major, but I just want to show y'all how easy it is to get approved for credit. You can look at this day right here. This says 11/23. Today is the 26th. So that tells you this is the other day. This is a screenshot I took of the when I did it, because I didn't think to record this at the time. Okay, this easy money, not hard to do at all. I got you. Okay, we're gonna look at my other offer I got mailed too. I applied for that. I got approved, which was through Merrick Bank. This came in the mail the other day. So you can read over this. You can always stop, rewind, or whatever. But it just shows you that I was pre-approved for this, and then I applied for it. I actually applied for this late, one day after, and I didn't even think it would still be valid, but it still let me get it. So I did that. Okay, we can look at a couple of other clients I did. Now, I only added them to a Capital One card, had $300 limit, wasn't even that old. Maybe 9 months old. First guy's name is Walter Stevens. I went and did him. You can see the mailer, excuse me. Right here, I had to blur out the address, of course. And here's his offer. I just put this in my scanner and just did it. These reservation codes haven't even been used. I haven't even sent these over to them guys yet, which I'm going to actually do probably later today. And then the other young man, well, this is Walter Stevens. This is his information. I'm going to look at their credit reports too, so you can see that I actually did add them onto the card. The other guy's Brandon Bonner, same thing, add him to the same AU. And he also got his reservation code to apply. Once they send you these reservation codes, that means they're going to give you the approval. Seeing that your credit score hasn't changed, or you did nothing crazy and your reports ain't all messed up now and things like that. But these are valid. This says the offer expires 12/12. So that tells you it's still valid. Today is only 11/26. That's Mr. Bonner. So I don't know if I'm going to start following these guys, and doing stuff. But these are the cards that I had added to them. This is Walter Stevens, the first guy, Brandon Bonner. Those are authorized users. Those not their actual cards. So now here we go. These are the only $300 AUs I added. Mr. Bonner, he got a card too. You can see it on his credit report. He only got one AU, but it's not about really what you have on the report. It's how it's set up. So the number got to be set up correct. It's not always about trade lines. It's a mixture too. But how did he get pre-qualified for pre-approval is probably what you want to know. The answer is simple. Every time we set up a client's number or repair their credit, we always get them pre-screened. We correctly do the public records. We match them with the correct lenders who are looking for new clients who match their approved criteria. And I do that for everybody, whether you ask me to or not. It's just part of what I do. Now, at this point, all these guys got to do is just use them offer codes and get anything else that they get through the mail, like if they get other mailers or anything else. Once you start getting those, you're automatically approved. So it really doesn't matter pretty much how it goes down. If you get that through the mail and you get a number through us, they won't approve you for the line. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to look at these credit reports real quick. I'm going to try to do this in a couple of minutes. So let's look at those real quick. Okay, I'm going to log in here real quick. Let me see. I can't remember exactly which guy this is. I think it's Walter Stevens here. I just want to go through this real quick. I just want to show you that I added the line on there. You know, one of the guys got approved for their vehicle. I think it was like 20 grand. All right, so let's just go ahead. As you can see, the score ain't all that great. So that goes to tell you that score don't play a part. I mean, it does, but it's not the major. It's a third of it. The main part is having a number set up. Okay, this is Walter Stevens. Okay, there's his information. Okay, so now let's go look at the account. Okay, this is the line I added. You can see November the 16th is when it reported this line. It's the same on the other one too. It's only a $300 limit. It's 9 months old. That is the only thing on his credit report, other than all these inquiries. You know, I don't know why those. Well, I guess he was applying for stuff, but it doesn't matter. All right, and then you can tell this is not an auto primary that I added, because this is not my auto. And then this is a 36-month term. This is the actual vehicle he was approved for. He paying $570 a month. That's good. It would be lower, but he don't have no, you know, credit history on there. So, and his score is not that high. The higher score, the lower the interest rate, the lower the kernel. All right, so this is an individual account, meaning it belongs to him. He's only had this car since September, so he hasn't even got his second month reporting on there. So he got that through Chrysler Capital. So there you go. You know, you can go through Chrysler Capital to get your car. So, you know. All right, so that's that guy. I'm going to show you his Equifax real quick. We'll go over there. It's going to be the same. Walter Stevens, same car, same limit, same million inquiries on there. Okay, that's that. So now let's go out of here. So let me move this over here. Okay, let's log out of this young man. Now we're going to log into one of the other ones. And then you'll see that it's pretty much the same thing. Let's do Mr. Bonner. Then we'll do mine last. I just want you guys to see that everything ain't always about $100 million primary on the credit report. You know, you can get approved for things with very little on your credit report. You know, it's just how you set it up. If a person can add trade lines and do all that, you know, that's fine and dandy. But if you don't set the number up right, it's not going to work out. And the number got to be right too. So here's Mr. Bonner. This is all he had. Nothing else. The same line. Capital One. $300, 9 months old. Same thing. Nothing different. The only difference is this man didn't go get a vehicle. You know, but that may not have been his goal. I think he just wanted to rent an apartment or something. But I told him to get an age-appropriate CPN just in case he wanted to do something else with it in the future. So that pretty much shows all of that. You guys seen the mailers that they got. All they got to do is basically just apply for it. That's it. It's really nothing else to it. The last one here is, I'll go through mine real quick. You seen the approvals that I did, well, that I got approved for. This is mine. Probably not gonna log in the first time. It's always messing up. But this is mine. Oh, it actually did. Okay, cool. The ones that I got approved for, they're not going to be on my report yet because I just got them and haven't reported. But you seen them. I showed them to you. I'll do some follow-up after this. I just want to show you. Only got a couple inquiries. Okay, you still see my address was the same, Wilmington. That's my name. Um, Same thing. I got my same old lines on here that I had before. That's the one that I added them to right there. The same one that's on mine. Um, Still got this on here, all this other stuff. So that's pretty much it. I still got my closed chase account, which was like 14 years old. It terminated. It was an authorized user account. You can see right here the A's on it, 15 years old. So um, Equifax, they're pretty much identical. So it's really nothing different. You're not going to see too much on there. So we got no collections, no bad stuff or anything like that. Um, so that's pretty much it, man. You know, you can rewind this video, go back, do whatever you need to do to review it. But it tells you, you know, right there. You know, it's not hard to get approved. Basically the main thing here, man, is that you need to be able to have a number set up right. Even if you don't get a number from us, as long as it's matching your age, we can set it up and do it for you, so you can start getting those mailers and start getting that, you know, those pre-screened credit offers. We can match you up with lenders that will actually seek you out, and that's what you want. You want them to seek you out. As long as they seek you out, you're good. They'll start sending you stuff through the mail, and once they send you stuff through the mail, they're not sending you stuff to try to see if you can, you know, actually apply. They're going to send you this stuff because you are qualified to get it. Once you qualify, they'll start sending you the pre-approvals through the mail. All you got to do is apply for them, and then that's it. Once they do that, you're good. You know, you have your own individual accounts. You can start building your credit. You start building your business credit. You can PG it, do whatever you want to do. But I just wanted to give you guys this update. I don't want to make this video too long. So I hope this helps. Subscribe to my channel, like, share. Um, Make some comments down below if you have some questions or something, or if you need something, you know, just let me know. You can reach me at 248-499-2422, or you can email me, jimsenior@realcreditnow.com. You can Google us. It's Global Consulting Resources. I wish you guys the best, all the financial success in the world. This is Jim, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.